Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy F24 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. After that, in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Lastly, tap on Closed in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to hit Allow a couple of times. Then access your files. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, click on Input key section and copy all of those numbers. Then hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!